Okay, here's my Cody neck knife kit. It's a little bit rough, by the way. I did add some, like in the book, I see that he has some duct tape. He says duct tape. So I got my other duct tape right there. The lighter is a cheapo lighter. I can just take out. That's the sheath. I did a lot of duct tape on here, but that's okay. I have my condom right here. It's the Atlas one. What I'm gonna do now, since this necklace has a fill on, and yeah, this is the one. This fell off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of tape. Okay. And then, by the way, the knife is a Wahoo killer, if you're wondering. That's the what I'm using because this is what I feel. This is what I like. I like it. I did orange duct tape because, for one, it is visible out here and it's a good one. Now, I'm gonna put this on the back. Okay? And then just doot. So yeah. My Cody neck kit. How do I do? Actually. Let me I did that. I had that. I should do a little bit of tape on here because yeah, it's black and it's gonna be like, oh hey, yeah. So yeah. I have one more unboxing to do. By the way, if you wonder what brand they are, there's Atlas. It don't matter what type of thing you can do. Let me get this out. We'll cut away this much of the tape. You know what? I should put this onto this. Actually, no, I don't even need it on that. Let me cut this a little piece like that, I guess. No, that's rude. But yeah, in the book, as you see, he has duct tape. That's something that, like duct tape. So I put a lot of duct tape in there just for, whatever reason. Put this in here in case. Then I'm going to cut this in half. Or whatever. Yeah. No, actually that's perfect. This is perfect. Now, I did orange because orange is the type of... out here, it's hunting. It's a hunting area. So orange, by orange, is the perfect one. You know what? Let me put... I don't know. I'm gonna do what Ranger. Oh God, I forgot the dude's name, but Ranger something in Philcraft. I'm gonna do what he does for this, and I think that's actually a good idea too. Put a little bit of duct tape on the knife. And I'm going to do the other side too because why not, right? So now I have enough. And by the way, this will not obstruct this. So now I have a Cody kit. Now the duct tape, as you see, is regular duct tape. It's this Dollar General stuff. So yeah. I decided to use this one, because A has whatever. I'm gonna put this on this other side, and now I have a Cody lundin knife kit. Honestly, how would I do with the wrapping? That's all I want to know. So yeah, now, as you see, Honeycomb is sealed, it doesn't matter, I can just, whatever this. You wrap up the rest of the knife sheath, leaving the bottom like this. I pretty much have this. Now, I noticed this was falling off, so yeah. Also, one thing you realize is this has a Ferro rod on it, so I have fire either way. I have two forms of fire. One is none. Two is one is none. So, and honestly, I'm actually, the reason I put the extra this in here is because it's in the book. As you see, it's in the book. Duct tape. That is for repair, medical, what have you. Pretty much. This is not braided, but it has like some braiding right here. As you see. I should actually put a little bit on the back of this. It's okay. But yeah, now I have a Cody lundin neck knife kit. This is pretty much what it's supposed to look like anyway, because as you see in the book, by the way, this is from 98.6 Degrees to Oil Keeping Your Butt Alive by Cody lundin. Recommended read, actually. So yeah, tell me how I did. You know? I did notice that I was going to use this anyway, since there's a little bit of paracord and all that on it. And it has like, you know, and it's highly visible. You can literally see this at night. This doesn't obstruct the getting out of the knife at all, which is nice. Because as this is not obstructed. This is how you get the knife out. Now let me clean this knife actually. I prefer, now here's the thing, it's not, none of it's going anywhere. So yeah, I was waiting for like the condoms to come, the non-lubricated ones. That's the ones you want. I put one back here. As you see right here is where the striker for the Ferro rod is. Condom, lighter, which is adjustable, like he recommends in the book. A little bit of duct tape on the top. I did a lot of that for repair and all that. So anyway, tell me how I did. I have a neck knife kit. Now I will be adding the whatchamacallit later. The thermal blanket. So yeah. Anyway. By the way, with the heavy duty space with like this, the color thing right here, like that, I have a UST one that's orange, so I'm good for that. I like this book. I really do. You see there's a bunch of different markers in it. So yeah. Anyway, you can see I have literally this is actually a neck knife that I would carry. So yeah, anyway. If y'all like it, give it a thumbs up. If y'all think I did a good enough job with the wrapping and all that, give me a thumbs up. Anyway, peace.